the exercise 10.4 from practical geometry, that is chapter 10. We have already constructed the triangles by using the criteria SSS, and the idea of SAS also we have seen. Now today's class we are learning new exercise 10.4. Construct a triangle ABC. Given measurement of angle A 60 degree, measurement of angle B 30 degree, and AB 5.8 centimeters. So rough diagram already completed here. So here 5.8 AB at A 60 and at B 30 degree we have to construct. When we are doing the construction, we should extend little more because it's an angle only. So X I will put here angle BAX, ABY. Here we will extend to Y. Both are intersecting at point. That point is our C. So ABC is the required triangle. Now we can see the steps of construction. Draw AB equal to 5.8. At A, construct an angle 60 degree. At B, construct an angle 30 degree. AX and BY intersecting at C. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now let us see the construction now. So first we will draw the 5.8, that is AB. Up to here only. A and B. Okay. Now at A, what is the angle construction? 60 degree to be done. So at A we can keep the tip of the compass and draw the angle. So here any convenient radius we can take and draw the arc. So only one cut to be taken, that is our 60 degree, right? So through this we will join. So this is our X. Okay, now what is the next step? We have to do for 30 degree. So this is already our 60 degree construction is over. Now at B 30 degree, here it is little one more step we have to do. For 30 degree directly we won't get it. So first 60 degree to be drawn. On that we should bisect it. So listen carefully the steps. So we'll draw the arc here, the convenient radius. Keep at B and draw the arc. Now from here we have to draw. Okay, so through B we have to join that one. Now we got 60 degree. Actually what we want here 30 degree only for it to be. So what we should do? We should do the angle bisector rule. Angle bisector rule we have already learned. So more than half of this 60 degree. So here this arc 60 degree is there. Just check that any radius you take, it should be more than half of this one. So from this point we have to draw first arc, and from here it is another arc. Again we have to join this one. Now this is our 30 degree with the B. Join this and we will extend a little more here. So I already told when we are doing the angles we should extend and mark it Y here. So this point we can take it as a C. So make it little more darker here. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. So the measurement is here 5.8. Here 60 degree we already marked. The first it was 60. Now it is bisected. Here it is 30 degree. So we got the triangle now, triangle ABC. Now let me see the steps once again. What is the step we have to write here? Means first rough diagram to be drawn, two angles and one included side. So 60 degree, 30 degree, 5.8. So first we have to draw the 5.8 at A, the angle 60 degree to be constructed, at B 30 degree to be constructed, which is intersecting at C only. The same only we have written here. Draw AB equal to 5.8. At A construct an angle BAX equal to 60 degree. At B construct an angle ABY equal to to 30 degree, AX and BY intersect at C, then triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now you can see the diagram once again. So diagram is here. So after completing the diagram, you must write the measurements what we have used there. So again I just reminding the criteria. Two angles and the included side ASA criteria we have used here for constructing this triangle. Construct a triangle PQR if PQ equal to 5 cm. Angle PQR, that is measurement of angle PQR, means angle Q is given, that is 105. Angle QRP equal to 40 degree. So here we can use the 40 degree construction, we don't know. Again 105 means we can go for the angle bisectors many times, so we can use the draw method only. So here after completing the diagram, see the diagram, P is given. You can complete the rough diagram PQR. So PQ, it is 5 cm, angle Q 105, angle R it is 40 degree. So this is the idea of a rough diagram. Now let us see the diagram. When we are doing the diagram, you can see that two angles, one side is given. So we have already learned in the congruency criteria, when two angles and one included side is given, one side is given, that is AAS is given, we can make into ASA by using angle sum property. That idea to be used here. That means 105 and 40 it is given, so total 145 is there. So we can calculate the third angle here. Now after getting the third angle, we can write that this is the two angles and the included side we got. So that is why when we learned the congruency criteria, ASA and AAS can be used for proving the congruency criteria. We have learned already the same idea we are using, but construction, when we are drawing this line PQ and 105 is drawn, we don't know what is the length of this line, so we cannot use this one. So we should find the third angle. How to find angle? Angle sum property only. That is our first step. So I'll write here in triangle PQR, angle P plus Q plus R equal to 180 degree. What is the rule there? Angle sum property. By substituting the values, Q as 105, R as a 40 degree, angle P plus 145 equal to 180 degree, therefore angle P equal to 35. Now I can write 35 here. Now it is similar to our previous sum only, two sides and the included angle. Got? So what are the steps now? Draw PQ equal to 5 cm. At P, what is the angle to be drawn? 35 degree. At Q, angle Q equal to 105. So we are using draw method, that is protractor only we are using this time. Join XP and YQ intersect at R. That means this line will be intersected. When we are drawing 35 and 105, it is intersecting at the third point, that is R only. So triangle PQR is the required triangle. Now we can see the construction. So draw PQ equal to 5 cm. We are completing PQ. At P, what is the angle to be taken? 35 degree. So using the protractor we can use. Zero and 30, 35 only. So here 35 degree. I'll extend this angle. Okay, here 35 and this is 5 centimeter. So here we have written that a QPX only, right? Now what is the next one? 105. It is 5 here. So I'll extend little more. Here X. Now this point of intersection, which letter to be given? PQ, then R. So triangle PQR is the required triangle. So once again, PQ, this is 5 centimeter. Again this is 35. What is this measurement? 105. Here R only. So when we are doing this type of the constructions, we should extend little more array and name it. So we'll get the triangle PQR is the required triangle. Construct a triangle PQR, PQ 5 cm, angle 105, angle QRP equal to 40 degrees. So rough diagram is the first step. So 40, 105 we have marked, but with this we cannot construct the triangle. So we are calculating the third triangle by angle sum property. In triangle PQR, angle P plus Q plus R equal to 180, angle P is equal to P plus 105 plus 40 equal to 180 degree. We have substituted the values. Angle P is equal to 180 minus 145, 135. Now draw PQ base we have drawn, that is 5. At P we are drawing the angle 35 degree. At Q we are drawing the angle 105. Both intersect at R. Then triangle PQR is the required triangle. We are getting the required triangle PQR. Examine whether you can construct a triangle DF such that EF equal to 7.2 cm, angle E equal to 110, angle F equal to 80 degree. Justify your answer. So when we are drawing the diagram, DEF, EF equal to 7.2, angle E 110, angle F 80 degree. So when you see this one, it is 2 angle and the included side only, right? So the idea is that ASA criteria only, but the question is asked, examine whether you can construct it. So when we add this one, 110 plus 80, what is the sum we are getting? 190, right? So 190 is not possible for interior angles in a triangle. What is the maximum value for interior angles in a triangle? All the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree only. So let us see this by rule. In triangle DF, angle D plus angle E plus angle F must be equal to 180 degree. So when we are substituting the values, this is equal to 190 degree, because 110 plus 80, 190. So 190 degree we are getting. So angle D, if we want to calculate, we are getting the negative value, which is not possible. The simple way, or what I can say, when we add angle E plus angle F, it is 110 plus 80, it is 190. But the sum of all the interior angles, all the interior angles, the sum of all the interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree. But here 2 angles sum is only 190 is coming. So by this measurement, we cannot construct a triangle. So anyway you can write a first method also we can write and prove that the angle measurement is negative, so we cannot do. So the idea is there, since it is a ASA criteria, so some children feel that we can make the triangle, but the other property is not satisfied here, which is that one, angle sum property. So with 2 angle only we are getting the sum as 190, which is not true in the case of a triangle. All 3 angles we are taken, its a sum is equal to 180 only possible. So with the 2 only we are getting 190. So by this measurement we cannot construct a triangle. So with this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.